In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do wall combo in Ultimate Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Each character in Ultimate Battlegrounds has a unique wall combo. You will be able to perform the wall combo by throwing your opponent into any surface. So it can be these trees here, some pillars that you might find around the arena, so these rocks, or even the walls on the edge of the map. Regardless of which surface you pick, you just need to make sure that you perform a combo when they are right against the surface. What you have to do is do 4 M1s into a forward dash, or a mini uppercut into a dash, or a down slam into a dash. So basically, do a 4 M1 chain and then perform a forward dash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if you do a dash, you will see the wall combo play out. It is an animation, so it is very fun to watch. So I'm just gonna try to get the opponent back there on the 3 so I can show it once more. So once again, you just do 4 M1s, and then after the 4th M1, you perform the forward dash. In this case, it didn't register because it was too far away from the 3. So I'm just gonna knock them back once again and demonstrate this. But that's all you have to do. You will be able to do it after the 4th M1, and you can also do it after a mini uppercut or a down slam. You just need to make sure that they are right against the surface. It can be a 3, it can be the walls on the edge of the arena, and so on. So I'm gonna get them real close to the 3 here. And then once again, all that you have to do is do 4 M1s, and then perform a forward dash, and you will see this animation play out. You will know when you got the wall combo perfectly because the animation is hard to ignore. So once again, all that you have to do is throw your opponent into a wall, any surface that you see around the map, and you will be able to perform the combo. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this because the dummy is dead, but that's all you have to do. Just throw your opponent towards any surface and you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to do wall combo in Ultimate Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.